What's up, guys? This is Awesome and with Investify, and today I just want to show you real quick. So, yesterday we decided that we were going to purchase and invest in Twitter, and the reasoning behind that is that we started to see a flow in Twitter and more investments coming into it. And as you can see right now, that right here it says that we bought Twitter at $34.72 yesterday at December 11, 2018. And so, how has Twitter done in one day? And right here is that today Twitter is up over almost 6%. Now, the reasoning behind that is that you find a great company that has been hurt in this downtrend and it's undervalued. Twitter is one of those. And once we started to see the flow again coming into the stock, we decided to buy back into Twitter. And as you can see, our total return has been about 5.16%, and today's return has been 6%. And this isn't just one day, right? We also purchased Facebook yesterday, and our total return is about 2.2% on it in a single day. Usually, we are aiming for long-term growth. We're not interested in short-term returns. But this is just something to show you that the way that our system is created, it is to invest in the right companies when we start to see an opportunity for it to grow. And I believe that this is just the start for these companies since they have been undervalued for quite some time, and that they're only going to grow, and that there's more opportunity for you guys to invest in this. So just wanted to show you how our system works, what we are about here at Investify, and that you should look into joining us, get more of our alerts that we're sending on a daily basis, the market analysis that we're doing, so you understand what stocks to be buying, what stocks to be selling. The last few weeks, the market was getting hammered, and the best thing about that is that we have been out of the market for majority of that. So instead of people losing money at all, they actually were able to protect their downside. And now that we're seeing some shift and some opportunities of buying, we're getting back into the game. That is the art of investing, that it is all about moving money from one point to another and sometimes even holding it back just to make sure that the choppiness of the market is gone. Once again, guys, this is Azam with Investify. If you want to learn more, join us at investify.com. Be part of the team. Have a great day. Goodbye.